Hello children, today we are going to see topic related to measurements, that is capacity. Capacity means how much a container holds. Okay, for example, a bucket can hold more water than a cup. We say that capacity of a bucket is more than a capacity of a cup because cup will be small and a bucket will be big. So capacity of a bucket will be more than a cup of water. If water is filled, the capacity of water in the bucket will be more than a capacity of water inside a cup. So the capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can contain. Okay, mostly capacity means how much a container holds. Okay, it is of liquid items. Capacity bucket, it is of capacity. Capacity means how much a container holds. It will be of liquid items. Okay, the capacity of container is the amount of liquid it can contain. Okay, capacity means liquid items which which will be in a bucket or cup in either any form of a container. Okay, yes, see here, standard units for capacity is liters and milliliters. Liters and milliliters. Standard unit of capacity is liters and milliliters. For example, milk, oil, petrol and kerosene are measured in liters and milliliters. Liquid items will be measured in liters and milliliters. Okay. So standard unit is liters and milliliters. Liters can be written as L and milliliters can be written as ml. To measure the capacity of a small container such as a spoon or a cup, we use the standard unit of capacity called milliliter. Very small amount if you want to measure. For example, if you want to measure a liquid which is in spoon or else in a cup or else in as a drop, means it will be of milliliter, that is ml. For example, a drop of water is about 1 ml. Okay, a drop of water will be about 1 ml. A capacity of 2 teaspoon is about 5 ml. The capacity of a cup is about 200 ml. Okay, small things, small containers will contain liquid items in ml. Okay, a syrup bottle will be in ml. Then, to measure the capacity of bigger containers like bucket or water tank, we use the standard unit of capacity like liters. Okay, like for example, bucket, water bottles, and all. It will be water bottles with a bigger quantity will be of liters. It is written as it is written in a short form as L. Liter short form is L and milliliter short form is ml. Okay, milliliter will be written as ml as short form and liter will be written as L in the short form. We should know that 1000 ml makes 1 liter. 1000 ml makes 1 liter, or 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. They have written in the short form, liter as L and milliliter as ml. A packet of juice has about 1 liter juice. The capacity of bucket is about 15 liters. As they have shown here, this will contain 15 liters and this will be of 1 liter. We use jars of different capacity to measure volume of liquids. See here, 5 liter, this is a 5 liter can, this is 1 liter, this is 500 ml and this is 100 ml. This one will be used to measure oil, milk, etc. Liquid items we can measure with these volume of with these jars. Next, addition and subtraction of liters and milliliters. Addition and subtraction of liters and milliliters. See here, add 7 liter 350 ml and 3 liter 400 ml. Always you have to write liter first and ml next. And you have to first add milliliters and then only you have to go to the liters. You have to start from right corner. So 0 plus 0 will be 0, 5 plus 5 will be 10. So You are writing 0 here and 1 you are carrying over. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Then 7 plus 3 is 10. So when you add liters and milliliters, it is about 7 liter 350 ml plus 3 liter 450 ml is 10 liters 800 ml. Always do remember that you have to mention the standard units, or else your answer will be wrong. Okay. If it is liters, you have to write in liters. If it is ml, you have to write as ml. Next, subtraction. Subtract 2 liter 250 ml from 5 liter 750 ml. First, you have to subtract milliliter, and then only you can pass on to the liter. You should start from right corner. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is, when you subtract these things, 5 liters 750 ml and 2 liters 250 ml, the answer will be 3 liters 500 ml. Do remember that always you have to write the standard units for the measurements. Without the standard units, you can't write the answer. Yes, children, I hope you all understood measurement of capacity. Yes, we will see with a different topic in next session. Thank you. Bye bye.